MTD CNC are privileged today to be in Tamworth at Brown Holmes with the President of Air Quality Engineering. Now, Jim, the MIstBuster, it's only recently been launched into the UK market and it's already been cleaning up. What are the secrets to its success?
I think the major secrets to success are twofold. One is the product and one is our partner here in the UK. The product is specifically designed for machining applications, and our partner is one, Brown Holmes, who understands both the machining market as well as air filtration.
Now, this is an interesting subject. The sales in the UK have increased significantly with air filtration over the last few years. Why do you believe this is?
I think there's more of a concentration on looking at the health aspects of coolant mist on employees and the work environment. Also companies wanting to have a cleaner environment as their customers come in from maybe medical or aerospace markets, expecting that same type of cleanliness that they have in their own facilities, as well as providing a mist collector that provides versatility in coolant environments, as well as cost savings from energy consumption.
So it's safe to say that from a safety aspect, this product does the job, and it's no longer a luxury item anymore, it's more of a necessity. So if someone needed to invest in a air filtration product, why should they invest in the MIstBuster from a technical perspective?
I think three things. One is the technology that we use within these units, the electrostatic precipitator. We've specifically designed these cells with some unique aspects that have been patented in order to increase the longevity of maintenance cycles. Secondly, these type of units have reusable filters in them, so you don't have the disposal cost nor the recurring cost of having to replace media-based filters. And then third, the versatility of installation. So we're able to be installed on a number of machine tool manufacturers in a number of different ways, depending on preference, depending on the machine tool.
So the running costs are significantly reduced from one, the USP and unique design of the filters.
Yes, absolutely right. The unique design is to be able to look at where is it that these filters would short out or become filled up. And we've tried to design out those aspects of the electrostatic precipitator so that you get a longer life in between maintenance cycles.
So another reason is the electric consumption. How is this achieved? How is reduced electric consumption achieved from your product?
Both from the technology, so the way in which the air flows through this machine across the cells is different from some of the other technologies that are used, which are high energy consuming technologies, as well as the components that we're using within these systems.
Now, in regards to the products, and finally, just to wrap up really, they come in different sizes for different capacities. What kind of sizes do they come in and how easy are they to be installed?
As far as sizes, we have a number based on airflow requirements. And our engineering team works with the Brown Holmes engineering team in order to determine what specific unit is going to provide the airflow that's needed for that application. Installation is very simple. They're typically either mounted directly onto the unit or they're mounted off to the side and ducted to the unit.
Jim, thank you very much for the comprehensive review on the MIstBuster. If you're looking to clean up in the UK, you need to consider the MIstBuster, which is now available from Brown Holmes.